start, we take out the bucket. You just take out that bolt, take out this bolt, take out this bolt, another bolt over here, wait, over here, another bolt over there, and another bolt over there. After you need to take out this, or in the beginning you take these out and have the battery behind, and you just take out the battery. We're gonna do that now. Alright guys, we're gonna clean everything because this is really important. After when we open this, we don't want any of this shit to enter inside our cylinder or the piston, because yeah, that would not be nice, you know. Yeah guys, just a quick update. So it's everything much cleaner. We didn't take anything more out, just the exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust was pretty easy, yeah. And yeah, now we're gonna take out this, and I already take it almost everything out. It's just like this bolt, and I have another bolt over here. I already take that out, and after it just take out this one. And I think we're gonna be good, I hope. So let's try to take out this without breaking nothing, please. Would be really nice. Shit just jumped out, and yeah, I'm gonna take out this part now. Let's go, baby. Opa. Yeah. Could be better, could be worse. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now? Everything is fucking dirty over there. Before I take the cylinder out, I'm gonna clean everything. I think it's the best decision. So guys, I already did the first knockdown of the bolts. Now I think they rotate easy. This is fucked up to film, to be honest. I don't know if you guys know. But wait, just to show you. Like, it's loose, you know. Yeah. My advice for this step, it's like, try to take out in X. Like, you take it out this first, after take the under one from the left, after take this one, and after take that one, the under one from the right. Yeah, it's done. It's out. So now it just, baba. Yeah, it's fucked. So my advice, it's like, you can just push it. No? Opa. And you put on the hole, because you don't want shit to enter over there, you know? So guys, after we take it out, we put like a towel, like I said. It's a towel there. And yeah, after, the hardest thing is to take out the thing that connect there. I already take it out. Yeah, it's this. And you normally use a thing like this, but if don't work, you can take out with this. Here you can clearly see the mix. Was not too bad. I think was good even. Opa. Now guys, I already take out this part. Okay. So now we can save the piston. Yep. Guys, the worst part, it's like clean all of this mess. Like, you see this? This is fucking hard to, yeah, these black spots. Yeah, you need to clean this because if not, the gasket will not go good, you know. And it's a bit hard, but yeah, we need to do it. Let's go.
But I always hate this, bro, because if it flies, it doesn't matter, and I don't have the things for that. Because
What the fuck, bro?
Poort ook, is
That's
dat
not
zien?
normal.
and this,
Fool. Guys, everything went wrong. So the cylinder didn't enter on the block because my block it's from a snore. It's like a bike that was limited for 25 and they close a bit the block, so the cylinder don't fit. And now I'm doing what you should not do, taking out like these side parts from outside, of course, to try to fit in. But yeah, I don't advise nobody to do this because the right way it's open the block. But to be honest, yeah, I will not open the block because I don't know how to open the block. And if I do in the spot, probably what I'm gonna do is throw shit to the crankshaft, and after gonna be a big problem. This is my third day doing this. Yeah, seems stupid, but it's not, bro, because this is fucking hard. This is iron forge, so it's fucking hard to take something out, and I can take too much and I need to take a bit, so it's hard. But yeah, just to you see, guys, these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows and one off exhaust, and the other cylinder we had, the stock, just had 3 windows. These have 5, and the other one was a bit closed on the exhaust, and 2 ports, 1 and 2, was closed. So I hope these bring a lot of power if this work after a lot of this. A lot. It's there, bro. Opa. Opa. Shit taken a lot of time, but it seems that it's really almost. I just need to take a bit more to be really sure. And that's it. Let's go. Of liquid gas. We're gonna put a bit of liquid gasket. Just a bit, not too much. To don't do shit, you know. Put a bit more oil because I already put it a bit, but I'm gonna put more just to be sure that nothing get fucked. Please. You see these circle things? We need to put them perfectly on the both edges, hitting the marker. So, and that's it. So now you should like I think it's pretty good. So guys, let's find out. Opa.